All right, guys, we got the loom temporarily on the powertrain. We went ahead and split out the coil side for these different valve covers from the primary looms just in the valley around the heads so that we can get to the injectors and so forth. This side, the passenger side, I'm sorry, the driver's side was not too hard at all. However, the other side here for passenger is definitely a little bit more complicated, only because they decided to, on this loom, join a bunch of these lines together on both the coil and on the injector side. So we pulled back the loom as far as we really could before we get to the primary power stuff and the core of it. And I think it's going to be well enough. We just kind of got to watch the tension on some of the wire connections here, but we're going to go ahead and utilize these points here with new rivet zip ties, and I don't think it's going to be too big of a problem. So it'll kind of lay right in that little trench right there for both sides to be able to get to the front accessories and all the different sensors and so forth to go along with that on both sides. So we're going to go ahead now and start redoing the fabric tape on both sides here, and then putting on those zip ties. So let's see how clean we can make this. Once we get the primary points for the loom itself mounted up, then we're going to start connecting all the connectors on the powertrain that we can. And once they're all connected, we'll probably take off some of the tape and just leave the ones that are left for surrounding components of the engine bay. And once we're done with that, then we're going to finish up the supercharger installation itself in terms of the coolant lines and try and get everything nice, compact, and tidy the best that we can with the real estate that we can. So, all right, let's go ahead and get these lines taped up.